ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that understands your questions and generates human-like responses in seconds. Before answering questions, ChatGPT is trained on massive amounts of text from books, websites, articles, and code. When you type a prompt, ChatGPT breaks it into smaller pieces called tokens and analyzes the meaning. Instead of searching for an answer, ChatGPT predicts the most likely next word, one token at a time. This prediction process is powered by a large language model, or LLM, containing billions of learned parameters. By understanding context and predicting the next token repeatedly, ChatGPT creates helpful, natural conversations almost instantly.